Exercise 9.4. Question number 1. Add. Number 1. 6 upon 13 plus 5 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13. So see here, all denominators are here same. Okay. So we have to add just numerators. Okay. So first we will write, all denominators are same. So we will write denominator one time. Okay. Only one time we will write as a common denominator 13. So for numerator 6 plus 5 plus 2. So how much we will get? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. So 13 upon 13. When numerator and denominator are same, so what we will get? We will get 1. So our answer equal to 1. Now number 2. 3 upon 17 plus 4 upon 17 plus 8 upon 17. Here also all the denominators are same. So we will write common denominator 17 one time, and we will write all numerators 3 plus 4 plus 8. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 upon 17. So our answer is 15 upon 17. Now number 3, 13 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Here both the denominators are different. So first we have to make the denominator same. For that what we will do? We will take LCM of denominator 21 and 7. So we take LCM of 21 and 7. So in 2 table 21 also will not come, 7 will also will not come. So we will move to 3 table, 3 7s are 21. In 3 table 7 will not come, so we will carry down. 7 will come in 7 table, 7 1s are 7. So here we will write LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 7. So 3 7s are 21. So what is the LCM? 21. So we will make the denominator 21. So our first fraction is 13 upon 21. So we will write here 13 upon 21. So we want denominator 21. So what we will multiply here? We will multiply 1. So whatever we are multiplying in denominator, same we will multiply in numerator. So 13 ones are 13 and 21 ones are 21. Now second one is 3 upon 7. So we will write here 3 upon 7. So we want denominator 21. So here 7 is there. So see, 7 is there. So what we will multiply here? 3 to get 21. So we will multiply 3. So in numerator also we will multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 upon 21. Now both the denominator become same. So 13 upon 21 plus 9 upon 21. Now both the denominator same. So one time we will write the common denominator 21, then numerator we will add 13 plus 9. So 13 plus 9 equal to 22. So 22 upon 21 is our answer. Now number 4. 15 upon 29 plus 14 upon 29 plus 7 upon 29. Here all the denominators are same. So we will write here only common denominator one time 29. Then we will add 15 plus 14 plus 7. So we will add 15 plus 14, 29, 29 plus 7, 36. So 36 upon 29. So our answer is 36 upon 29. Now number 5, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 plus 7 upon 12. So here see, here all the denominators are different. So first we have to make all denominators same. So what we will do? We will take LCM. So we take LCM of 4, 6, 12. Okay, denominator LCM we will take 4, 6, 12. So in 2 table it will come, yes, 2 2s are 4. then 2 3s are 6, then 2 6s are 12, again 2, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 will come in 3 table, 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? 12. So now we will multiply the fraction. So 3 upon 4 is the first fraction. We want denominator 12. So with 4 what we will multiply? See, 2 2s are 4. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply 3 to get 12. See, 4 3s are 12. In numerator also we will multiply same 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now second fraction is 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6. See, want here denominator 12. So see, 3 2s are 6. So which number is left? 2. So we will multiply 2. 6 2s are 12. So in numerator also we will write 2. So 1 2s are 2. Now which fraction is left? 7 upon 12. And we want denominator 12. So 12 is that. So we will multiply 1. 12 1s are 12. In numerator also 1. So 7 1s are 7. Now write the fraction 9 upon 12 plus 2 upon 12 plus 7 upon 12. See, here all denominator become same. So we will write one time common denominator 12 and we will add the numerator 9 plus 2 plus 7. So 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 upon 12. Now these both are even number. Okay, it will come in 2 table. Yes. So 2 9s are 18, then 2 6s are 12. Now both will come in 3 table. Yes, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 3 upon 2. We have to make it is the lowest fraction. Okay. Now number 6. 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 7 plus 9 upon 35. So here also all the denominators are different. So we will take first LCM. We take LCM of 5, 7 and 35. Okay, 5, 7, 35. In 2 table it will not come. In 3 table also it will not come. So now we will move to the 5 table. 5 1s are 5. In 5 table 7 will not come. So we will write down same as. Then 5 table when 35 will come. 5 7s are 35. Now we will write 7 table. 7 1s are 7. So LCM equal to 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 7s are 35. So first fraction is 3 upon 5. We want denominator as 35. So with 5 what we will multiply? 7. So 5 7s are 35. In numerator also we will multiply 7. So 3 7s are 21. Now next second fraction 5 upon 7. So we want denominator 35. So here 7 is there. So with what we will multiply? 5. 7 5s are 35. In numerator also we will multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25. Now next fraction is 9 upon 35. We want denominator 35. So we will multiply with 1. So 35 1s are 35. 9 1s are 9. So now we will write the fraction 21 upon 35 plus 25 upon 35 plus 9 upon 35. So here all denominator are same. So we will write one time common denominator 35 and we will add the numerator 21 plus 25 plus 9. So 21 plus 25 46. So 46 plus 9 that is 55 upon 35. Now both will come in 5 table. Okay, 5 11s and 5 7s. So we have to make the lowest fraction. So 11 upon 7. So our answer is 11 upon 7. Now question number 2, subtract the following. Now we have to do subtraction. So number 1, 11 upon 13 minus 5 upon 13. Here see denominators are same, 13 and 13. So we will write one time 13. So now we will subtract 11 minus 5. So 11 minus 5 equal to what we will get? 6. 6 upon 13. So our answer is 6 upon 13. So whenever denominator are same, that time we don't have to take LCM. Okay. Now number 2, 16 upon 17 minus 8 upon 17. So here also denominator are same. So we will write one time common denominator 17 and we will subtract 16 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 equal to 8 upon 17. So our answer is 8 upon 17. Now number 3, 14 upon 15 minus 11 upon 15. So we here also denominator same, 15 and 15. So we will write one time common denominator and we will subtract the numerator, 14 minus 11. So 14 minus 11 equal to 3 upon 15. So our answer equal to 3 upon 15. In 3 table 15 will come? Yes. So 3 ones are 3, then 3 5s are 15. We will write 1 upon 5. Now number 4, 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8. Here denominators are different. So what we will do? First we will take LCM. So we take LCM of 4 and 8. So 4, 8. So in 2 table 4 will come. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 1s are 2. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So now we will multiply. First fraction is 3 upon 4 and we want here denominator should be 8. So see here 2 2s are 4. So which one is left? 2 is left. So we will multiply 2. So 4 2s are 8. In numerator also same, we will multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. So second fraction is 3 upon 8. We want denominator 8. So here 8 is there. So we will multiply 1. 8 1s are 8. And in numerator also we will multiply by 1. So 3 1s are 3. Now both the denominator become same. 6 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. So we will write one time common denominator 8. So numerator we will subtract. 6 minus 3, 3 upon 8 is our answer. Now number 5. 8 upon 9 minus 3 upon 8. So here denominators are different. So we will take LCM. So we take LCM of 9 and 8. So we will start from 2 table. 9 will not come in 2 table. So we will write it at same. So 8 will come. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So now we will move to 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 3 4s are 12. So 2 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 72 is our LCM. So first fraction is 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9. So we want denominator as 72. So what we will multiply to 9? So 3 3s are 9. So this happens. So remaining which numbers are left? 2, 2 and 2. So we will multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So with 9 we will multiply 8 to get 72 as a denominator. 9 8s are 72. In numerator also same, we will multiply 8. So 8 8s are 64. Now second fraction is 3 upon 8. 72. So here 8 is there. With 8 what we will multiply? So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this 3 and 3 left. So we will multiply 3 3s are 9. So with 8 we will multiply 9. So 8 9s are 72. In numerator also we will multiply 9. So 3 9s are 27. So now both the denominator become same. So we will write one common denominator 72. Then 64 minus 27. So we will subtract and see 64 minus 27. So 4 minus 7 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 6. So 6 will become 5 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 7, 7 and 5 minus 2, 3. So we will get 37 upon 72 is our answer. Now number 6, 5 upon 6 minus 11 upon 15. Here also both the denominator are different. So we will take LCM. So we take LCM of 6 and 15. So we will start with 2 table. 2 3s are 6. Then we will start 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So we want denominator 30. So first fraction is 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 multiplied by what we will multiply to get denominator 30. See 2 3s are 6. So which number is left? 5. So we will multiply 5 to get 30. 6 5s are 30. In numerator also we will multiply same 5. So 5 5s are 25. Now next fraction is 11 upon 15. 11 upon 15. So we want denominator 30. So 3 5s are 15. So which number is left? 2. So we will multiply with 2. 15 2s are 30. In numerator also we will multiply 2. So 11 2s are 22. Now both the denominator become same. So we will write one time common denominator. Then we will subtract the numerator 25 minus 22. So 25 minus 22 we will get 3. 3 upon 30. In 3 table 30 will come? Yes. So 3 1s are 3. 3 10s are 30. So our answer is 1 upon 10.